Question 1. What do Canadians normally wear on Remembrance Day? A. Green shirt. B. White poppy. C. Red poppy. D. Maple leaf. The answer is C. A red poppy. Question 2. Which of the following is the highest court of Canada? A. Provincial Court. B. Municipal Court. C. The Supreme Court. D. The Federal Court. The answer is C. The Supreme Court. Question 3. How many citizens of Canada served in the Second World War? A. 2 million. B. 1 million. C. 5 million. D. 3 million. The answer is B. 1 million. Question 4. What will you promise when you take the oath of citizenship? A. Pledge allegiance to the King, observe the laws of Canada and fulfill the duties of a Canadian. B. Pledge to be faithful to the Queen. C. Promise to observe the laws of Canada. D. Fulfill duties as a Canadian citizen. The answer is A. Pledge allegiance to the King, observe the laws of Canada and fulfill the duties of a Canadian. Question 5. Why is the Battle of Vimy Ridge important? A. It was a key position of the German line in northern Spain. B. Canadian Corps secured its reputation for valor and bravery. C. It was the hinge of the German line as it protected the newly constructed Hindenburg Line. D. Once Canadians fought at Vimy they knew they would be heading home. The answer is B. Canadian Corps secured its reputation for valor and bravery. Question 6. What is the name of the Governor-General? A. David Johnston. B. Elizabeth May. C. Mary Simon. D. Dalton McGuinty. The answer is C. Mary Simon. Question 7. When is Canada Day and what does it celebrate? A. June 15th of each year to celebrate the anniversary of Confederation. B. August 8th of each year to celebrate the joining of British Columbia to Confederation. C. We celebrate the anniversary of Confederation July 1st of each year. D. May 21st of each year to remember Queen Victoria. The answer is C. We celebrate the anniversary of Confederation July 1st of each year. Question 8. What is a major river in Quebec? A. Fraser River. B. Niagara. C. St. Lawrence River. D. Hudson's Bay. The answer is C. St. Lawrence River. Question 9. What did the Canadian Pacific Railway symbolize? A. Easy access to the West Coast. B. Unity. C. What can be achieved by working together. D. New railway. The answer is B. Question 10. What do you call a law before it is passed? A new law. B. A proposed law. C. A bill. D. A new proposal. The answer is Question 11. How is a cabinet minister chosen? A. By the Queen. B. By the voters. C. By other cabinet ministers. D. By the Prime Minister. The answer is D. By the Prime Minister. Question 12. Who are the Acadians? A. Aboriginal people of the Arctic. B. French-speaking Catholics living in Ontario. C. The descendants of French colonists who began settling in what are now the Maritime Provinces in 1604. D. English-speaking refugees who settled in Louisiana. The answer is C. The descendants of French colonists who began settling in what are now the Maritime Provinces in 1604. Question 13. What is the largest religious affiliation in Canada? A. Catholic. B. Muslim. C. Jewish. D. Hindu. The answer. Question 14. What is the government of all of Canada called? A. A National Assembly. B. Council. C. Constitutional Monarchy. D. Legislature. The answer is C. Question 15. What does the Canadian flag look like? A. Red and white with provincial emblems. B. Red and white with a beaver. C. White with a red border on each end and a red maple leaf in the center. D. Red with a white maple leaf. The answer is C. White with a red border on each end and a red maple leaf in the center. Question 16. What did the Fathers of Confederation do? A. They worked together to establish a new country, the Dominion of Canada. B. They were explorers who formed an expedition to survey northern Canada. C. They formed a republic state in Canada. D. They were a group of politicians that tried to unite Canada to the United States. The answer is A. They worked together to establish a new country, the Dominion of Canada. Question 17. What are the three parts of Parliament? A. The Sovereign, Governor-General and Prime Minister. B. The House of Commons, the Legislative Assembly and the Senate. C. The Queen, the Legislative Assembly and the Senate. D. The Sovereign, the House of Commons and the Senate. The answer is D. The Sovereign, the House of Commons and the Senate. Question 18. In which region do more than half the people in Canada live? A. Central Canada. B. Atlantic Canada. C. Prairies. D. Northern Canada. The answer is A. Central. Question 19. Give an example of how you can show responsibility by participating in your community. A. Mind your own business. B. Have a party. C. Keep your property tidy. D. Volunteer. The answer is D. Volunteer. Question 20. In what industry do most Canadians work? A. Tourism. B. Service. C. Manufacturing. D. Natural resources. The answer is